This is the trash that was there. This is stuff that's not donatable. It's literally just trash. This is broken. This wire is broken. It's just all trash. And so we are getting it out of here. So
welcome to 25 days of decluttering and cleaning with me. I'm going through multiple spaces in my home to just declutter things every single day for 25 days for this Vlogmas.
We're gonna ignore all that because one day we will put it away. pretty dirty. I love this scent, by the way. It smells so good. Look at God, y'all. look at the Lord. It's the Holy Spirit moving me, honey, today. Okay, I'm getting through these rooms. All right, so I feel really good about this. I just feel so good to be able to walk through this area. It's a whole bag of brand new toys that'll be donated this year. Now, I judge on how well I did by what's actually coming out of the house. Now, I know it seems like I was shuffling things down in the basement, but those things really did belong in the basement, and so I just put them there. And then this is the trash. This is the trash that was there. This is stuff that's not donatable. It's literally just trash. This is broken. This wire is broken. It's just all trash. And so we are getting it out of here. So that's pretty successful. Like I said, to just be able to walk through here is huge. It's huge. I cannot even begin to tell you guys. So happy. Look at God.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully this inspired you to declutter something in your house. Let's just get through all the different projects that we need to get done before the end of the year so we could start 2023 off where we want to be. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.